Alright, so today we're working on finding the fraction of the number and dividing fractions using the reciprocal method. Alright, so for question number 10, we want to find 1/10 of 400. Alright, so you said the answer is 40. How do you know the answer is 40?
Because 10 divided by 400 is 40.
Alright, so you'd set it up as in 1/10 times 400 over 1. You divide 400 by 10.
Times 1, but...
Yeah, and you get 40. In other words, you're moving the decimal over one place. Alright, number 11, 5/6 of 192. So you gotta divide that 192 by, good. Good. Alright, so you divided 192 by 6 and you got 32, and then you multiplied 32 by 5 to get 160. Very nice. Okay, number 12, 3/4 of 96. Alright, so we take 24 divided by 4. No, sorry, took 96 divided it by 4. And multiplied it by 3.
The answer. What it was.
24 by 3. And then you got 72. Alright, last one, 4/5 of 100. How did you do that in your head?
I know 5 times 20 is 100, and I know 4 times 20 is 80.
Alright, very good. So you're thinking of it like this. 5 times 20 is 100. So if you break 100 into fifths, you're going to have parts of 20. And then you're taking 4 of those parts of 20 to get 80. Good. Alright, divide using the reciprocal. Number 14, 6 1/3 divided by 2 1/8. What does it mean to divide by the reciprocal?
Divide by the reciprocal?
Like, what does it mean when you change the fraction so you can divide? What are you changing it to?
An odd, no, there we go. An odd fraction?
Improper is
Improper, yeah.
Alright, so a fraction that's greater than 1, basically. Okay? So your 6 1/3 changes to what?
19 thirds.
Alright, and your 2 1/8 changes to
17 eighths. I flipped
8
it so
17. Oh, 17 eighths, and you
Nice.
went ahead and flipped it.
sorry,
That's a reciprocal. And what can you do once you flip it?
you can multiply.
Multiply it instead of divide it, which makes it easier.
Two. Seven.
Okay, so we multiplied 19 by 8, multiplied 3 by 17. We got 152 over 51. So then we
See how much 50. See if 51 could go into 152
good. How many times did it go into it?
twice.
Twice, so we know there's a 2 there.
And
then we
there's
have
50 left over.
50 left over 51. Alright, very good. Alright, last one for dividing this reciprocal. Eight and 8/10 divided by 2 2/3. Okay, so let's walk through this. We changed 8 and 8/10 to 88 over 10. We changed 2 2/3 to 8/3, and then we flipped it to the reciprocal to 3/8. We can multiply. 88 times 3, 264. 10 times 8 is 80. We now know that 80 goes into 264 3 times. Good. And how many do we have left over?
24.
Good, 24 over 80. So our answer is 3 24 80ths. Is there any way you could keep reducing that? Yeah. Well, let's do it this way. What's the obvious number that goes into 80?
2.
But
6, but
think of a bigger number than 6.
8.
8. Does 8 go into 24? Yep.
8 plus 3, and then 3 tenths.
Yep. 3 3/10. Good job. All right, let's move on.